So this form right here is my security damage authorization form. I cannot stress this enough. You are legally not allowed to charge someone's damage deposit or credit card for a damage deposit or hold if you don't have some type of legal form in place to do that. And I am telling you what, this has saved me countless amount of troubles, countless times, especially with chargebacks. If a customer tries to give you a chargeback, this form supersedes their little chargeback, and then I can go to that bank or that credit card company or whomever and say they signed this form right here. They gave me authorization to charge your card for any overages or any damage deposit or anything that's necessary for this rental. I highly recommend this. If you are trying to get off platform, this form is an absolute must to make sure that you are legally in compliance and you don't have problems with all these chargebacks and people just scamming you left and right.